Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that is from Surah Al Imran, ayat number 8. This dua is the biggest blessings of Allah. Because if we just make this dua a habit to read it, to do it before Allah every day with our heart and soul, Inshallah, if we die from this world, we will die with Iman. And we will get the rizq of this world and the world hereafter. And also if there is the trouble or problem that is coming to us, that will finish with the mercies of Allah. And Allah will give us so much of our need that will be fulfilled, inshallah. So our needs will be fulfilled. So we will get so much rizq after reading this dua with our heart and soul. So we have to try our best so that we should get the blessings of Allah for this world and the world hereafter. And when we die, we have to die with Iman, with the blessings of this dua, requesting to Allah with our heart and soul. So we have to read this one. رَبَّنَا لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا وَهَبْ لَنَا مِن لَّدُنكَ رَحْمَةً إِنَّكَ أَنتَ الْوَهَّابُ رَبَّنَا لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا وَهَبْ لَنَا مِن لَّدُنكَ رَحْمَةً إِنَّكَ أَنتَ الْوَهَّابُ رَبَّنَا لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا وَهَبْ لَنَا مِن لَّدُنكَ رَحْمَةً إِنَّكَ أَنتَ الْوَهَّابُ. So the translation, Rabbana, O our Lord, La tuzigh qulubana, don't deviate our hearts. Ba'da iz hadayatana, after you have blessed us the guidance. Wahablana, and grant us min ladunka, from yourself, rahma, the mercy, and grant us the mercy from yourself. Innaka, indeed you, anta, you, antal wahab, and you are the bestower of mercies. You are the most bestower of mercies. Rabbana la tuzigh qulubana ba'da iz hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka rahma innaka antal wahhab. O our Lord, O our Allah, do not deviate us, do not deviate our hearts after you have blessed us the guidance, and grant us the mercies from yourself. Indeed, you are the bestower of mercies. So we try to request Allah with this dua every day, with every salah. Inshallah, if we have the habit of requesting Allah with this dua, with our heart and soul, inshallah, we will get blessings of Allah with Iman in this world and the world hereafter. And when we will leave this world, inshallah, we will leave with Iman. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.